Hello, Central Dauphin teachers. In this session, Google Applied Digital Skills, you'll be participating in a digital skills lesson. The lesson you'll be doing is organizing your Google Drive. Normally, Google Applied Digital Skills is for teachers to assign digital skill lessons to their students. But as teachers, we can always benefit from improving our own digital skills by taking some of these. We felt that the Google Drive organizational lesson would be very helpful, not only to you, but also to your students, since we're using Google Drive so much during this year. To participate in this lesson, you will be taken out to the Google Applied Digital Skills page. You're going to click this button. You'll sign in using your school district credentials. You will choose I am a student, since you will be taking the lesson as a student. Join our class and enter the join code. Once you do this, you will be prompted to start the lesson. This activity takes anywhere from 45 to 90 minutes depending on your current understanding of Google Drive or your level of organization that you already have within your Google Drive. Just to show you what it will look like, you'll be taken to our professional development class and you'll be asked to start the Use Google Drive to Organize Files and Folders lesson. When you click Start, you'll be prompted to watch a video. There are 8 parts to this lesson. As you complete them, you can follow your own progress. Once you're done with the 8 sections and you complete the activity, come back to our page on Canvas and complete the district activity. It's a form to make sure that you receive your Act 48 credits. If you have any questions, please contact any of the technology integrators. Thank you.